Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Let's move to the exercise 5C of chapter 5. In this exercise, the given questions are in word problems and we have to make a algebraic expression from the given questions. Let's start with the question number 1. The loaded weight of a lorry with bricks is 11,600 kgs. Okay. Mass of the bricks is 3 times of the empty lorry. Find the mass of the bricks. Let's start. What is given? Loaded weight of a lorry with bricks. So it means bricks plus lorry is equal to 11,600 kilograms. This is his first statement. Second part, mass of the bricks is 3 times of the empty lorry. So this relation, we can say that bricks or mass of the bricks is equal to 3 times of lorry. Now find the mass of the bricks. From this relation, we can write as 1 lorry is equal to 1 upon 3 of the bricks weight and we substitute this 1 lorry value in this equation. What we get is bricks plus replace lorry with 1 upon 3 bricks equal to 11,600 kg. Now 1 plus 1 upon 3 bricks make it 1 whole 1 upon 3 bricks and that is equal to 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 bricks is equal to 11,600 kilograms. So to find the B or mass of the bricks, we can multiply like that. 1 bricks is equal to 11,600 multiply with 3 and divided by 4. So we get the answer 8,700 kgs. So the mass of the bricks is going to be 8,700 kgs. That is our required answer. Now moving to the part question number 2. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers, odd numbers, is 56. Find the greatest number. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So let's say the 4 consecutive numbers are x plus 2, then x plus 4 and last x plus 6. And when we get sum, we get x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 is equal to 56. That is given. Now combining all the x's, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4x plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 is equal to 56. 4x becomes 56 minus 12, 44. and x will become 11. But this is not our answer. We are asked find the greatest number. So this is first odd number. What is second odd number after this? 13, 15, 17. So the greatest odd number is 17, and this is our required answer. Now moving towards the question number 3. Amira is 4 years older than Priya and Shirley is 2 years younger than Priya. So if the sum of their ages is 47, find the respective ages. So let's start. What is first statement? I write A instead of Amira and P instead of Priya and S instead of Shirley for our ease. Let's begin. From the first statement we get Amira is 4 years old, means 4 plus that of Priya. A is equal to 4 plus P. From the second statement, Shirley is 2 years younger than Priya. So S means Shirley is 2 years younger than Priya, means the age of Priya P minus 2. Now if the sum of their ages is 47, so age of Amira is 4 plus P plus age of Priya is P. Now age of Shirley is P minus 2, that is given, and their sum will be 47. So P plus P plus P is 3P. 4 less 2 is 2 is equal to 47, and 3P is equal to 45, and our P will be 45 upon 3, that is 15. So the age of Priya is found to be 15, that is our answer. Now for the age of Amira we put 4 plus P, 4 plus 15, that is 19. So the age of Amira will be 19 years, and similarly the age of Shirley is P minus 2, that is 15 minus 2, and that is 30. So the age of Shirley is 30. So these three are the respective ages. Now move to the question number 4. The sum of two numbers, one of which is 2 upon 2/3 of the other, is 45. Find the smaller number. Okay. Now let's assume the bigger number is x and the smaller number is 2/3 of the bigger number, that is x, 2/3 of x, and the their sum will be 45. That is the given equation. So when we add x plus 2/3 of the x, we get 1 whole 2 upon 3 x is equal to 45. By simplifying, 3 times 1 is 3. So 5 upon 3 x is equal to 45. So 45 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 will be our x. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 9 is 45, and 9 times 3 is 27. So the bigger number is 27. But in the question we are asked to find the smaller number. Since the total of the numbers are 45, so we can subtract this 27 from 45, like that. 45 less 27, so what we get is 18. So 18 is our smallest number. When we add 18 with 27, we get the sum of 45 that is given. So 18 is our required answer. Now moving to the last question of today's lecture. If a number is tripled, it gives same result as when 18 is added to this number. Let's try to make an equation. If a number is tripled, it means let our number is x, and when tripled, it means 3 times multiply of that number, that is 3x. So if a number is tripled, it gives same result. Same result means is equal to. So triple of a number is equal to when 28 is added to this number. So the number added with 28. So 3 times of a number is equal to number plus 28. Now we find the value of x. So x is adding on there, so 3x less x will be 28. So 2x is equal to 28, and x is 28 divided by 2, and our x will become 14. So 14 is our number. When tripled, it gives the same result as when added with 28. So this is our required answer. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. If you have any problems or any query, please do me know in comment section. Thanks for watching.